Hey everyone, today we're going to learn a new lesson in the spelling, and it's all about alphabetical order. Okay, how many letters do we have in the alphabet? Do you know? We have 26 letters in the alphabet. The letters are all arranged in order. Okay, so that's why it's called alphabetical order. First letter is A and the last letter is Z. Let's all say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now what we're going to learn is how to put words in alphabetical order. Now, what we have to pay attention to is the first letter of each word. Okay, if you can see up the top here, we have lick and we have bake. We have to look at the first letter and see which letter in the alphabet comes first. Is it L or is it B? Which one do you think comes first? Yes, B and then L. So B is first and then L. Here we have girl, mom. Which one do you think comes first in the alphabet? The G or the M? G. So G, we put G comes first and then M. We're just looking at the first letter of each word. Okay, let's take a look here. Cave, save. Now let's take a look at something else here. Both of them have the same ending, which makes them the rhyming. Okay, let's go back. We're just going to look at the first letter. So cave and save. So C or S, which one comes first? The C or the S? That's right. C comes first, so cave is the first word in the alphabet. And then save. Save comes after. Then we have dad and zoo. This one's very easy. Which one comes first? D or the Z? That's right, D. So D for dad and Z for zoo. That comes first. Let's take a look. More practice. Let's put in alphabetical order. Here we have grapes, apple, banana. Let's take a look at the first letter of each word. Here we have G, A, B. Which one in the alphabet comes first? You got it. Apple is first. Which one do you think comes second? The banana or grapes? Banana is correct. And last of all, grapes. Okay, let's take a look at some more words. We have bus, train, and car. Which one do you think comes first in the alphabet? The B, the T, or the C? That's right, B is first, so buses comes first. Which one comes next, the T or the C? That's it. C is second, and the last one is T, so what train? Okay, good job, you're doing really well. Now, let's do some more practice here. I'm going to write some words on the board, and we're going to do some more practice. Now remember, you have to think of the first letter, okay? So here I'm going to write book, and then I'm going to write truck. Here I'm going to write what do you think? School. And then I'm going to write girl. Okay, so first thing, one more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the alphabet down here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, oops, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now we have to look at the first letter of each word. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to see the first letter. So here we have B, we circle B. Okay, then we've also circled T, we circled T down here. Then we've circled S. Where's S? Here we go. And G. This is G. So which letter did we circle first? We circled B. So this book is number 1. So cross that one off. Next letter is here. Let's look at the letters down the bottom. We have circled G. So which one comes next? Girl. That makes it 2. Okay, then we've circled, there's S and there's T. So we have S. S comes for 3 and T is number 4. Okay, so that's how we put them in alphabetical order. Book is 1, girl is 2, school is 3, and truck is 4. Okay, that's how we put the words in alphabetical order. Okay.